Welcome back, everybody, and it is that time again. It is the February Platinum box from Monster Bass, and let's see what we got this time. I already peeked in here, and I ain't gonna lie, some pretty sweet looking stuff this month, and I'm hoping to really get out there with these things. First thing we have, made by Sergeant, half-inch. Right through it. Lipless crank by Sergeant S, half-ounce. Thing looks insane. Look at this reflection. It's gonna be so nice. If I got time, I might get out today and maybe throw that thing on. Send it out there. Catch a fish. Next thing we have is this noisy plastic. It makes such a ruckus. Next thing I got is the blade burner from Monster Bass. A nice spinner. Bass and Basky would like this one. This is his go-to, is their spinners. Look at that, guys. It's pretty nice. Got kind of like a hook keep, kind of like a small one there. Double willow. One's gold, one's silver. It's pretty sweet. Really nice. All right. Just keep rolling the tape. I can edit it out later. And then next we have a Mugshot 60 by Element Custom Baits. This guy looks pretty awesome too. Another lipless crawl pattern. Very nice. Oh, and the hooks are very sharp. Nice little orange belly. He did a really good job with that. It's very nice. And then they put in pack of tungsten worm weights. And then next we have another new lure from Monster Bass that does not have a name yet. So if you wanna, you can scan that if possible. You can go into Monster Bass and enter what you think it should be named. Like a little wiggly guy. Doesn't really have much of, just has a silicone smell to it. Very wiggly. Wiggly, wiggly, wiggly. Very cool. Next we have, this is my castic. Got a little green tail, green paddle tail. We all know I love my paddle tails. Not bad looking, guys. Next, throwing a pack of Daiichi Pro X straight. Throw one of those paddle tails on there. Need some stops for your. And that's it. That's all it came from the February box. Hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything in here that you like, comment, let me know. You know, we could do a contest giveaway. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you like. Fucking shit. That's everything for this month's box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment. If there's anything that I ever show that you'd like, that you may want, you can do a giveaway contest. If I don't already use it, or if I do use it, I'll get another one, and we'll put it in a contest giveaway, and hopefully you'll win it. But, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Again, catch them. Thank you.